All right, time to take a look at the Vansuny 64 gigabyte Type-C flash drive. So there it is, nice and compact. It's got the USB-C end right here. If we flip it around, we got also a USB-A port. So both USB-C and USB-A. And for me, that's gonna make it really convenient just because my new laptop only uses USB-C, so it's gonna be nice not having to have an adapter, but I can also just plug this right into my old laptop. I'm gonna use USB-C because this laptop only has USB-C ports. And let's see what speeds we get. Okay, so that's actually pretty impressive. So at sequential 1 megabyte at 8 process 1 thread, we're getting 180 megabytes per second read. Now, considering most of the thumb drives that I deal with, they top out at about 95 megabytes per second read. That's almost twice the speed. So that's fantastic. The write is 138 megabytes per second. Again, that is a very fast drive. So for the 1 process 1 thread, it's down about 10 megabytes, which really isn't that bad for both the read and the write. And then for the random 4K 32 process 1 thread, we're looking at 14 read and about 3 write. So that's about normal. And then for the 1 process 1 thread, 11 and then 3. So again, about normal, but really most of the files we're going to be dealing with can be things like, video files and that kind of thing, pictures. Seeing the 180 megabyte per second read is not going to be out of the ordinary. So this is a very fast drive. And the fact that it's so small, it has USB-C and USB-A makes this a fantastic drive. So overall, I am very happy with that.